Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper, and we're at one of my favorite parks. It is called Harrington Beach State Park in Belgium, Wisconsin, located along Lake Michigan. It's a little windy and it's a little warm, that's why I'm in a shelter. But I thought while I'm out laying on the beach, taking a little hike, I thought I would unbox the June 2026 Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop. Am I gonna still subscribe to this box? Well, stay tuned and find out. Welcome back. You guys, it is too funny. I just had some ladies come over on a little John Deere motor scooter thing to clean out the fire pit over here. Anything can happen at a state park at any moment in time. And I do have a thermocell so I don't get eaten up alive. We're all protected here, so I'll leave this down here. But yes, we are going to unbox the Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop, June 2026. This is the first box that actually has the new price. It is now $34.99 plus tax and shipping, and there is a B. I also forgot my tripod. I thought it was in my car, and by golly, it wasn't. Because I'm a crafter, I have some Scotch tape, and I have lots of water bottles, and I just attached it to my camera to this thing, and I'm hoping that it stays put, so I know that's a blooper. These boxes are from the Fat Quarter Shop. They are Sew Sampler. You can subscribe to these monthly. You just have to reserve one for 99 cents. And as soon as they have one available, they will let you know. And then every month you can just keep subscribing, and it's $34.99 plus tax and shipping. My box came to $42 because of my taxes and my shipping. I'm a little bit on the fence. This is not my favorite box, you guys, but there are some really awesome things in here. But because the price keeps going up, I'm not really sure if I want to stay put with Sew Sampler. However, I made a deal with you guys. I said I would continue to review these boxes till the end of the year in 2026. So guess what? My word counts so much on this channel. I am definitely an affiliate with Fat Quarter Shop, and you can use this QR code and it will link you to the Fat Quarter Shop website. Anything you purchase from Fat Quarter Shop, including subscribing to this box, I earn a very small commission, but it lets Fat Quarter Shop know that I'm a good resource as the quilting camper for your quilting and sewing needs. So I really appreciate your support if you use my code when you shop on their website. However, I pay for all my boxes. They're not sent to me for free, like a lot of other YouTubers that unbox these. So unfortunately, I'm in a situation where I cannot afford to give these away to ship them out. So I'm hoping someday we can get there. But with the price increase of the box and things going on with my YouTube channel and my new shop that's opening up in the fall on my blog, yes, you heard it, my own shop, I may have to divert my attention elsewhere. These are wonderful boxes. I love the contents in them, and I always think they're worth it. However, the prices go up. The economy is changing, and now I'm spending about $42 on items in a box when I should be spending money to curate new videos and other content for you. So those are things I'm taking in consideration. Like I said, I have made a commitment to subscribe to Sew Sampler till the end of 2026, and then I'll have to make up my mind what I'm gonna do next. But let's get on with the June 2026 Sew Sampler Box by Fat Quarter Shop. The theme for this month is making waves. Interesting. Although there are some waves from Lake Michigan in the background. And by the way, you guys, at the end of this video, I'll have some beautiful B-roll of what is here at Harrington Beach State Park in Wisconsin. I like the theme. I love the dolphins. I'm not sure if the theme in this box really ties to what's in this box. And every month we always have extra savings. We get 25% off Elizabeth Hartman patterns. Elizabeth Hartman is a wonderful designer. I think her fabric might actually be in this box. These are exclusive to the people who subscribe to the Sew Sampler box. And of course, with every Sew Sampler box, we get a leaflet that tells us what's in the box and also shows us a nice little grouping of how all the things come together in this box. And I will be reading some of these for you today. Now, some of the items in this box are extremely useful. I'm not going to deny it. They just don't feel cohesive to the contents in the box. But what can I say? We can always use sewing machine needles, you guys. These are chrome quilting needles, 9014, which is one of my favorite sizes. a value at $6.48. Sharp, sleek, and ready to dive, these Schmetz chrome quilting needles are designed to glide through layers with ease. Their chrome finish adds extra strength while helping stitches stay crisp, clean, and precise from start to finish. Whether you're piecing together your patchwork pod or quilting those final rolling waves, these needles handle every layer smoothly and effortlessly. It's a shining little star in your sewing sea that helps every project come together beautifully. I'm telling you, the way that they use adjectives in these descriptions just blows my mind. I really do like 90/40s. These are my favorite. My favorite needle is the top stitch needle. I just find better stitch quality with them. It's a nice value. I do enjoy getting these, but it didn't really make this box, hey, this is an awesome box. Now, you know, the next item in this box is something I always say adds a lot of value, and that's thread. 50 weight Superior Pima silver cotton thread, 1,200 yards. It's a full spool, a value of $12.98. Every great wave starts with a strong current, and this thread is ready to carry your stitches right along. The Superior Pima 50 weight cotton thread in silvery white feels perfectly at home among those ocean-inspired blues and sunny bright, smooth, steady, and reliable. It glides through your machine like a whale cruising open waters with no snags, no fuss, just beautifully balanced stitches every time. Whether you're piecing your patchwork pod or adding finishing touches, this subtle staple keeps everything swimming in sync. I don't know if they're selling the descriptions or the product. You know what, you guys? I'm not upset about getting thread, but what I am a little disappointed that a lot of us use Aurifil, and I would have loved to have seen an Aurifil spool. Sometimes when I come home, I get a little, maybe it's my OCD, but I get a little weird when I see random manufacturer spools of thread. To me, thread is kind of like one of those things I like to have for consistency. And I do think I did get another Pima Cotton Superior thread from Fat Quarter Shop in a Sew Sampler box about a year ago, and it was nice. We do like getting Aurifil, and this is valued at $12.98. Aurifil's valued at $13.98. It would have been nice to see a big spool of Aurifil, and this box could have been from okay to amazing just for that fact. But I do thank Fat Quarter Shop for being thoughtful about our sewing needs. We do need 50 weight cotton thread, and we do need to have sewing machine needles. So it was thoughtful. I'm just not as excited about this box. Now these are always fun to get, and I love that it's Elizabeth Hartman. So we have Elizabeth Hartman's Casserole Enamel Needle Minder by Elizabeth Hartman for Fat Quarter Shop, a Sew Sampler exclusive valued at $11.98. Fuel up with a cozy casserole, then settle into making waves. This charming enamel needle minder by Elizabeth Hartman brings a warm, homey touch to your sewing space while keeping your needle right where you need it. Featuring her iconic casserole quilt block, this truly little helper stays put while you stitch away. Cool parts practical and playful. The Sew Sampler exclusive proves that every small notion can make a splash. It is cute. Needle minders are really great because you know where your needles are. I think they're really handy for like needlepoint and hand embroidery, just because you can easily put them right on your canvas and you can set your needle on it. For regular machine sewing, they're great for putting your piecing needles on. I would love for you guys to leave a comment below. Do you guys use needle minders, or do you guys use them for decoration? Like, this would look really cool on my Outback hat, I think. Hey, what you use needle minders for? I'm curious. Leave those comments below. For some reason, Fat Quarter Shop decided not to put the 3 patterns in this box in a nice Ziploc pouch like they have for the last 2 or 3 boxes. So maybe they ran out. I don't know, did you guys not get one in your boxes? It's okay. In a sort of weird way, it does save the environment not to have extra plastics. There's always a positive in all of these things. But we do have the quilt block of the month. I'm not gonna read what it says, but it's block number 3. That's a value of $4.98. Then we have a vault pattern, and it's called Acorn Caps. Now you guys, I kind of am a little smitten with this pattern, and I'll be honest. It's because it came out during the pandemic period, and it was featuring Layla Boutique's Harvest Road, which is my absolute favorite pattern ever designed by Layla Boutique. I actually told Vanessa Gertson myself when I saw her at the HH Americas several years ago, saying, please bring this back. I love the color. I love the patterns. It was so much fun. This is valued at $9.98. They do these patterns in a vault every box for their 10th anniversary this year. And then of course we have the Sunset Wales pattern designed by Elizabeth Hartman. It's valued at $9.98. Very cute pattern. And on the back, it'll tell you what you need for background, binding, and backing. However, we do get the fabric in this box from Elizabeth Hartman. And there it is. It's called Scenery. It's really cool. And this is a fat eighth bundle. Fat eighth bundles are not my favorite. Whoops, the wind has taken over my scene here. But you can do a lot with them. It's just you kind of have to pick and choose what you do with a fat eighth. And if you guys see the wobble, that's the wind. Mother Nature is really fiery today, but there's a nice cool breeze. Let's find my little thing here to read that. Sunset Wales Scenery, Fat Eighth Bundle by Elizabeth Hartman for Moda Fabrics, valued at $34.98. Glide into Summer with Scenery by Elizabeth Hartman for Moda Fabrics, where cheerful color and playful prints swim together in harmony. Deep ocean blues mingle with vibrant corals, and oh my gosh, everything's gonna blow over in just a minute. Deep ocean blues mingle with vibrant corals and breezy sea glass greens, creating a collection that feels like sunshine sparkling across waves. Tiny geometric prints and gentle ripples of texture, making every fabric feel lively and full of movement. Whether you're stitching something simple or diving into Sunset Wales quilt pattern with this curated set of 12 fat eighths, this collection is ready to make waves. You know what, the colors are really pretty. I actually do like the fabric in here. I wish there were fat quarters and not fat eighths. It's still something to work with, and Elizabeth Hartman does have some nice patterns. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here today on the Quilting Camper. It's really nice to join you here in nature at the Harrington Beach State Park here in Wisconsin. Like I said, I'll have a little B-roll of some really cool images of the park. Remember, if you like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave comments below because I would love to know what you thought about this month's box. Right below, just leave those comments. I love to hear from you. I love to engage with you guys. You know, my last video only got 150 views, but I got 28 comments. That really says to me that you enjoyed sharing. And that's what we do on this YouTube channel. We share what we love. Just always remember that. Also, make sure you find out what's happening in my world. Check out my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. And hey, my friends at Bigsby Sewing Center are at Bernina University right now. And there's some really incredible announcements, like this cool Bernina Ultra that's coming out from Bernina. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upgrade my Bernina Pro yet, but I'm definitely gonna feature an overview of what makes the Bernina 790 Ultra different than the 790 Pro. Okay, you guys, I hope you're enjoying your summer. I hope you had a fabulous 4th of July, because I know by the time this video is edited, it'll be after. Happy 250th anniversary, America. And you know what? Let's continue to share the love. Until the next video, bye for now. Somebody left their boat behind. One of the favorite places of the Quilting Camper, and where I've camped a couple times as well. I hope you enjoy it. This is the quarry that's at Harrington Beach State Park. It is now a lake, and it is just gorgeous. This is Lake Michigan. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.